look, from where we sit in Asia on the ground, one of the key issues is, how do we calibrate the impact of potentially more trade tension? And at Longlead, what we've tangibly seen is a real, strategic shift in companies in Asia that's really prepared them for what we think either outcome. And by that, I mean, we've just seen almost, a reauditing of companies' fundamentals out here where they've had to focus on key vulnerabilities. Now, a couple of things stand out 3 years into that trade tension. Firstly is just a heightened sense of winning locally. So think own market and then broader Asia. And then the second aspect is just shoring up long-term access to capital markets. And we're seeing that already with US $30 billion of Chinese companies that had the primary listing in the US. They've now sought to have that secondary listing in Hong Kong. Now that's been incredibly well received to date. And the next phase of that, we feel, is just standalone listings in Asia. And we're already seeing that with the likes of Ant Financial, the world's largest IPO.
That was going to bring me to my next question on Ant Financial, of course, hitting the boards later on this week as well. How will that impact sentiment in Asia, do you think?
Look, this is a great news story for Asia, Matt. To think, US $35 billion has just been raised. The market capitalization at the IPO price of $315 billion and US $3 trillion of, retail demand alone. Look, absolutely fantastic result. A real credit to Ant Financial team and the broader Barber family. I think also very significant from an Asian perspective is this is happening in Asia. So maybe 5 years ago, one could have thought a caliber of this listing would have been in the US. Clearly today, it's possible in Asia. I also think it's important to step back from the impressive IPO statistics and recognize that Ant Financial is the world's largest fintech platform, an incredible ecosystem, welded together with Alipay. It's clear to see why everyone's excited.